Hello, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Good. And what's your name?
My name is Shagor. I'm from Bangladesh.
Very cool. I'm sorry.
What's your name?
My name is Shelby. I'm from the United States.
Yeah, I saw you in your profile. You are from Florida.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm
Oh,
originally from Florida, but I'm living in Romania right now.
Romania.
Hmm.
Okay, can you tell me most of the teacher in here in Cambly, they are from United States and United Kingdom, but they're living in another country. Why?
Um, I'm not exactly sure. I think there's a lot of flexibility with Cambly. So you can live abroad and you can do it on the side of working another job or going to school or traveling. So you can really make your schedule what works for you. So that's a huge benefit to me. So maybe that's what other teachers find as well.
No, no, no. I asking you, if, most of the teachers are from United States and United Kingdom, but they are living in another country, another
Hmm.
or Asian or European, another country, but that don't living in their own country.
Hmm.
Maybe 90% teachers asking for my curiosity. Oh, but why?
Yeah, I don't know. What makes sense to me is the flexibility. Because if you're abroad in another country, it can be hard to find a job. Um,
Oh,
so this lets, like, unless you have a work visa or you're a resident, it's very unlikely that you'll get hired. But this is something that you can do even if you're not able to work in that country.
okay. So
Yeah.
what are you doing in Romania?
I moved here 2 months ago with my husband for his job, and I'm studying my second degree at university.
Okay, so you are studying in Romania.
No, I'm an online student actually with a college in the United States.
Oh, okay.
Hmm.
Cool.
Yeah. So what about you? What interests you in improving your English?
Why I'm interested,
Yeah.
right? Okay. I want to improve my English for my personal life and for my professional life. I working as a freelance graphics designer.
Oh, wow. Very cool.
Yeah. I'm working in online also. So
Hmm.
most of them are client mm, from abroad. They speak
Okay.
English. That's why.
Wow,
Oh,
that's
by the
interesting.
way,
Yeah.
I have a YouTube channel. Can I use this video in my YouTube channel?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So people can learn something new from this video, and also they can join Cambly for conversation. They'll
Yeah.
get some ideas.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Yeah.
So how did you get interested in graphic design?
How I did?
Yeah, were you drawing all the time when you were younger and it just turned into a career?
No, not younger, but I started before 5 years ago. Also, uh, uh, I I learned from online, and
Mm-hmm.
I started my work in freelancing website.
Very cool. Wow. So how long have you been freelancing for?
Yeah, I doing since 5 years.
Oh, okay. You've been freelancing for 5 years.
Yeah,
Wow. That's very impressive. I know a few graphic designers that they work from home and they've
yeah,
done it for many, many years and they all love it. So
yeah,
congratulations for finding a career like that.
yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. So our time is almost up.
Yeah,
Um, your English is great. The only thing I would say is maybe listen to podcasts to be able to
yeah.
put your sentences together a little bit more fluently. Just anything
Oh,
you want to listen to, but in English.
okay, okay, okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
It's nice
Thank you
to
for
meet
listening.
you.
Nice to meet you too.
Bye bye.